Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm taking you into my kitchen to show you how I prep before cooking, whether it's lunch or dinner for my family. That's just how I am. I love having everything in its place before I start. The girls are off to the Keys with their aunt, so it's just really Hector and me tonight. Normally, we'll go out and have a Saturday night dinner, but this evening we just decided to stay in. I'm making a delicious salmon with spinach and lots of garlic and a few other tasty ingredients, which I will show you guys along. Now, I picked up this beautiful large salmon at Sam's because, my friends, I don't know about you, but with today's prices, buying in bulk just makes sense to me and my family. So I'm going to be cutting it up. I'm going to save a few portions for some other time, and I'm going to cook something amazing tonight. So my friend, come along and let's get started. Now it's time to season our salmon, my friends. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. I'm going to be using some garlic salt, some garlic pepper. This is going to be so delicious. I'm also going to be adding some lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of oil. And when it comes to the oil, whatever you fancy. Now, once everything is coated evenly, I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator for about an hour. That gives me some time to get this kitchen going before I start dinner. now let's get this kitchen in order. I don't know about you, my friends, but I like to have everything in its place before I start cooking. That's just me. That's the way I like it. I like to find my things. The girls sometimes actually help me in with the dishes, which is wonderful, except when I go looking for a pot or a utensil and it's suddenly playing hide and seek with me. So we have a rule in our house. Everything must go back to its spot. It's like a game we play, but it makes cooking so much smoother, at least for me, because I do all the cooking anyhow. And hey, I may not always have the neatest kitchen, but I do my best, especially when I'm prepping for my weekly dinners. It makes my life way easier. Friends, when I say I prep for dinner, I really do, because it makes cooking so much quicker. Most days I already know what I'm making, so I pull all my ingredients before I start. Just makes my life way easier and it saves me so much time. I work a full-time job, come home to cook pretty much Monday through probably Wednesday, Thursday. We try to eat out at least maybe twice a week. But again, with the cost of food nowadays, I think we're cutting dinners to once a week. Again, I love prepping. It just makes my time go faster in the kitchen. I can get dinner prepared in no time. And yes, my friends, some days I love cooking with wine, especially after a hectic day at the office. Let's do this, my friends. Now, here is our beautiful salmon. And what I'm going to show you guys is the ingredients for the actual sauce. Okay, so we're gonna have a nice creamy spinach, delicious garlicky spinach sauce, my friends. Here we have it, my friends. We have some mini tomatoes. I call them mini tomatoes. Don't know what you guys call them, but they're small to me. We have some red onions, of course, garlic, and some lemon. Our salmon is already seasoned, so this is going to be a quick recipe. So we're gonna go ahead and cook our salmon. I put a little bit of oil, whatever you fancy, my friends. I am going to give it about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. It's going to be perfect because at the end, when I add the salmon to the spinach sauce, it's going to cook for a little bit more. Okay, so 3-4 minutes is perfect. And the good thing with salmon is that it cooks fast and we don't want a dry salmon. Okay, I like it juicy. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. This is what we want. I know there's people who don't like the skin. We like the skin, and this is how we like the skin. It has to be very crispy. Our salmon is ready. I am going to just rest this here on the side. I cleaned a little bit the same pan I used to do the salmon. And I am just gonna go ahead and cook the onions and the garlic, because now we're just gonna prepare this delicious, creamy, garlicky spinach sauce, my friends. This is so easy. And you know what? I know people who don't like salmon. I actually have one of my girls who don't like salmon. So they're not here tonight. It's just Hector and I. So we are going to enjoy this. So I did some heavy cream. I did about a cup of heavy cream, some salt and pepper. Now be careful with the salt because we already seasoned the salmon. So we don't want to overdo it. This would be the best time now to actually make sure it's not needing some more salt. Hopefully it is not salty. And if it is, you can actually probably add a little bit of water and a little more creamer. I think that will actually do it. So I added my spinach. Again, this is so easy. I'm gonna let this cook just for maybe 2 minutes. I'm gonna add my tomatoes now, and that's it. Like everything, my friends, I always say this. You always, once you cook, that's just me again, I like to let the food rest for a few minutes so all those delicious flavors can actually infuse this delicious salmon and sauce. Now, my friends, how easy was this? This salmon looks so pretty. I just had to do that little clapping there. My friends, as you can see, I did a little zest at the end. I'm going to add some lime or lemon, whatever you fancy. I actually added a little more lemon at the end as well when I was actually having my dinner. And I did a little cilantro on top. Now look how pretty this looks. It's not only beautiful, but it was delicious, my friends. I'm gonna be serving my salmon with delicious jasmine rice and some veggies. As you all know, my friends, my videos are pre-recorded. This was a delicious, delicious recipe. I hope you guys try it. As always, my friends, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, cheers. Bye-bye.